So
Shielded.
yeah, so they were going in, buying food, taking it to homes, and I was inspired by them. So they were called UCC. So, and I was like, oh, something different. You know, this coronavirus give us chance to understand some people, you know, I died and some still, we are alive, you know what I mean? So we should, you know, take consideration, understand the power of the unity.
And this is where the song came from?
That's where inspiration came from.
Oh, okay.
Is this in English? Is this?
No, this one is in Lingala, but you know, the English version, and the video is coming out this Saturday.
Okay.
The video is done already, so yeah.
Okay.
But I'll explain to you because there's some subtitle on the video anyway. So.
Unité, peuple congolais, unité. Panabilaka, unité. Peuple africain, unité.
Okay, introducing RDC soldier in the place. All the way from Leeds was a Bradford youth. Yeah. How long did you live in Bradford?
Yeah, I lived in Bradford for like 17 years now.
17. Okay. So you were born in the Congo?
Yeah.
Oh, you were born in the Congo, came to Bradford when?
Like 2002.
17 years in Bradford?
Yeah.
Okay, so what made you leave Bradford and go to Leeds?
Because I, you know, when I performed in arena with Sean Paul, and I had some, you know, some shows in the academy with Nas, Akon, you know, like, you know, and
some big
names, and big names, and I decided to live in a big city. But I'm part of Bradford. Bradford is home.
Right.
Good job you put that in the last.
Good job. Okay, everyone, our guest this afternoon, RDC soldier from Leeds, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon to you. You're tuned to chat about got the cool alongside Michael Israel Williams. You're gonna translate a little, bro?
Yeah. I'm saying unity. We die because we are not united. You know, unity is power. It's all about unity, and we should be united. You know what I mean? So get my phone so I can get the lyrics as well. Because I'll be some of the lyrics in English. But it's just like the song is some subtitles on the video because the song is coming on this Saturday. There'll be all the channels, like, you know, on the Congolese channel, trying to get it everywhere. How much is can. The video is done, everything is done, so we can view Vivo, YouTube, all platforms. So we're talking about, like, you know, we should be united. Unity is power. It's all about unity. And people of the world, unity. Children of light, unity. People, Africa, unity. Together we will win warriors. We are dying because we don't have unity. The only way we will win when we're united. So
of course, you know when I listen to this, right?
yeah.
You know, as a child of the African diaspora, I'm gonna get deep on RDC.
Yeah.
As a child of the African diaspora, and I'm here and I'm looking at Africa, I don't see a very united States of Africa. What's your reflection on the state of, you know, Africa, corruption, the political scene, how it's portrayed here in the West, why we can't see some beautiful sights in Africa, why Africa